Go, Brax, go! Brax, go! Brax! As soon as he kicks it, you're gone!
I always like the nickname Mulch.
Guys, back! Come back, guys! Midfield, come back! Will, big kick! Will, big kick! Guys, push up, Matthias, push up!
Back up, Aiden.
Sammy.
Wait, ball.
Back up. Back up. Look behind.
Nice kick. Perfect. Oh, nice ball. Good ball, Will. All you can do.
Take the kick.
Quarter, guys, quarter.
We're still 0-0? Yeah. Why are you so close to the line?
Corner again? What did I corner again? Who touched me?
Oh yeah, it fell out of our keeper's hand.
I thought he just shot it completely wrong.
Oh, was that the one before? Maybe. Oh, there we go. Oh yeah,
It's not like never in.
It was from he kicked the ball and it never made it to the field. That's the thing.
But the corner kick is live.
I know.
It's not like a throw-in where it's out
I
of
know.
bounds.
And it starts in, right? Like it's in and then it goes out. So it should be, in my opinion, it should be a goal kick. I mean, it's yeah. I don't understand how there's an argument against. The ball is in, it's a corner, it's in the field, and then it gets hit and it's out the field. Come on, Ralph. That.
Sammy, wide. Sammy, go.
Good job, Sammy. Yeah, they need long balls. There we go. Nice. Get it, Sammy.
Yeah, take the space.
Yeah.
Help him. Nice,
Get in
Will.
there, Will.
Come back, come back, come
Behind
back.
you, behind
Cross
you.
it, cross it,
There you
cross
go,
it,
there.
cross it.
Help him out, guys.
Go back, go.
Nice.
Good, King.
Nice.
Wide, wide.
Nice.
First time. Close the Braxton, go for it, go. Press up, play ball. Brax, Diego, Will. Emilio. Great. No, Matias, in the middle. Alec, you're on the left. Cristiano on the right. Cristiano on the side. Nice, go for it. Go down the wing. Down the wing. Cristiano. There you go. Good idea. Guys, we gotta push up. On the ball.
Nice.
There you go. Shy away, buddy. Get in there. Good boy, Alec. Good job, Matias. Get up.
Help him, help him.
All right.
Get that. Get that. Take it. Shoot. Nice shot. Good. One quick. Nice.
Good job. Sawyer, let pressure up. Open up, Sawyer.
Go.
Good shot, buddy.
Turn.
He's gonna wait till
Nice.
he gets the ball.
Aiden, you got wide. Get help wide.
Give him the ball.
Cristiano, push up top.
to the top.
Matias, right in the middle, Matias. Alec, behind you. Go, Cristiano.